Okay, so I wanted to do a video on some CRF150 race bike preventative maintenance. Well, I guess just good dirt bike maintenance in general. On the 150R, I took off the swing arm for a complete rebuild and refinishing, sandblast, and clear coat. Here it is ready for rebuild. A quick note on the chain adjuster bolts on the back end of the swing arm. Before they rust up on you, always add anti-seize to them. Here's the new swing arm hardware, bushings, bearings, and spacers, as well as a new chain slide and glide. Swing arm back installed on the bike. Here's a picture of the factory bracket and chain roller, how it comes and looks from factory Honda. This is absolutely a design flaw. Once in use with sand, water, and mud, moisture getting in there, it starts rusting, fatiguing the metal as you can see, resulting in metal failure. And the bracket will break clean off. Notice that the factory weld doesn't even go all the way around. At minimum, there should be some sort of cap closing off the threading. Once it's broken off, now you have to figure out how to get this chain roller hardware back into the bracket that comes from Honda as part of the frame. You can't just go buy another bracket. What up, boys? I got the Red Ripper loaded up. You know what that means. Riding season's right around the corner. What we do right now is gonna make or break our riding season. I mean, October's only weeks away. So, I know we all know Honda's the best, but I did find a design flaw in the chain roller bracket. As you can see right there, this one's broken clean off. I'm probably gonna email Honda production about this, but in the meantime, I mean, I gotta get this fixed better than factory. So I'm taking it to the best welder, fabricator, production designer I know, the Hulk, AKA JD, AKA JDiesel, AKA 6.0. Let's go, I'll give you an update. So I got to JDiesel's place, and just based off of a phone conversation, he already had this bracket prepared and ready to go. He welded in the production steel bracket he designed, a steel factory Honda bolt. This is precision stuff, precision welding. Finger on fire. It's on fire. It is a fire out here. It's like 100 degrees right now. Using a blowtorch to burn out what was left of the factory bracket at nearly 2,000 degrees, the Diesel then began welding in the new and improved production chain roller bracket.
You want to see it? Stand right here. Watch your feet. Yep. Yeah, fly head through there? Yeah, fly head through there.
I sure wanted a Firestone Walker brake, but the JDiesel doesn't mix business with pleasure. Still gonna take this off, but I was just kind of filing it down a little bit before I paint all this. And then I got this sand wheel. I'll just put a little buff to it, take this off tomorrow, but I'm gonna go have a beer. Yep, I had to take my own beer break once I got back home. So I just spent a few minutes today just trying to clean it up, put a little bit of a grind sander to it, but that's pretty much it. I don't want to go, you know, very deep, because then I'll compromise the actual nut in there, you know, that you can see that little gash. But anyways, I just cleaned it up. I'm not going to spend much more time. Took the sand grinder to it and then a hand grinder here, and just kind of got it all nice and smooth, like, but grease everything, put more cover and spray, you know, degrease it, spray it down, clean up, have a cold one, and then you know, same thing on this side. I'll just cover everything and then I'll spray the frame right here. Pretty much it. Looking good, right? Looking real good. I don't know if you could see it. Not good light out here. I don't know. Yeah, look at this frame. It's all factory fresh. Look at it, bro. Oh, look at that. Look at that bracket. Oh, it's looking dope. I love it. The R is happy. The R is like, oh, thank you for getting me all factory fresh. I did about 3.5 coats. I mean, you could see there's some waves in it. It's not perfect, but hey, this is a DIY job. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this might have helped you with your dirt bike projects. If nothing else, maybe it was a little entertaining. Have you ever had that bracket issue? What would you have done differently? Leave a comment, let me know for the next time, or to help a fellow rider. Keep ripping and have a happy riding season. As always, remember to tread lightly.